Good morning. Today I'm going to go to campus.
So today I thought we'd meet up with my friends.
I have a 3-hour class today. Coffee will be needed.
My favorite thing about Swedish culture is fika. And fika, do you know what that is?
Slightly, but explain it to me.
Yeah, so fika, that is when you grab a cup of coffee and a pastry with your friends and just sit and talk and just enjoy talking about the Swedish weather, which we love to talk about as Swedes as well.
Very true.
That's the best thing about Swedish culture right there.
Yes. And today's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
We'll talk about that later.
We'll grab a fika.
Yes!
So I live in a corridor room, which means I have my own room and my own personal bathroom, but we have a shared corridor, a shared common room, and a shared kitchen. Good thing is that there is plenty of space in these rooms. This is the common kitchen that we have. It's a bit messy right now, but as you can see, we have like 2 ovens, a microwave. This is the common room. Our corridor is actually notorious for being the loudest and the most social corridor out of all the ones nearby.
So we just finished our first session of the studying. Today I'm like grumpy cat because I just got 5 hours of sleep, so not the best. And but yeah, that's how it is. So what do we do after studying? We watch Billie Eilish.
Kind of walking to the store nearby so my friend can pick me up in their car. We'd catch some lunch. And you know, you expect to make a lot of friends in like the welcome week and everything, but I think the best place to make friends in uni is like through group work and actually studying in your courses. And I don't know, I find that the most engaging way because you kind of get to know them better rather than just always partying. Yeah, the weather is super good today, so thumbs up.
Okay, so I'm about to go pick up my son from school, but I've had a lot of people ask me what it's like going to school while also having a child. To be honest, it's really fun and quite easy. A lot of my courses are changing, so is my schedule, but I also can change his schedule, really easy to fit mine. Having a kid and going to school can be easy. You just need to get into a rhythm and find what works best for you.
I'm now all ready and set up for my first work night at Sivens. It's actually my first night going into Sivens because I was closed in my first semester, but today I'm gonna work one of the shifts, so maybe I'll film some little clips. I'll see how busy it's gonna be. I finished our first working shift and well, it's raining now, but now I'm on my way home. It's 2:20. I'm super tired, but yeah.
So it's been a bit of a slow day today. It's Saturday, so I didn't really have any assignments or anything to hand in this weekend, so I've just kind of been taking it slow. But right now we're gonna go play some badminton. But yeah, it's good to get some physical activity in. So I didn't know, but apparently they're having a tournament and the winner gets 2 cinema tickets. The pressure is on. Shit, we actually made it to the finals. So I just got back and we lost the final. We made it so far. I'm gonna go shower and then I'm gonna go have dinner.
Oh yeah, and funny side story, this little thing. First day in Sweden and I got a parking ticket. Yeah, that's how you not do it. But now it's hanging there as a reminder to always remember to set a parking timer up.
So it's early in the morning and it's pretty good weather. I thought I'd go for a run by the lake. It's been a while since I've run, so I'm gonna take it a bit slow, and it's gonna be nice showing you the lake as well. It's like 5-minute walk by university. One thing about Swedish culture is that they love the outdoors and they try to do as much as they can to preserve it as well. And they're very, they love to like go out on walks and runs and like kind of spend time in nature, which I think is a great thing. And being the greenest city in Europe, Växjö is a great place for that as well.
Okay, Jacob, so what do you think about group projects and how common they are here in Sweden?
Yeah, so in Sweden it's pretty common with group projects, and personally I like them because it's a great opportunity to meet new people and to network, and yeah, I actually enjoy it. It's good. It's good, and I know that you like it too.
I do. Meet new people.
Have fun, study together.
Hopefully stay connected with them after school.
That's the best part.
We just left the library and it was so nice. We actually got to see some of our classmates working on their project. So it's good that since we can't see everyone on campus, we can bump into them sometimes.
It's Saturday lunchtime and it's baking time. We are later invited to a little Moroccan dinner, and our job is to bring cake and soda, so I'm gonna make our cake, and then later today I have my working shift at Svedens again. So now it's time to hand over our Fanta cake and the drinks and gonna enjoy a nice dinner. My headless friends are already laughing at me. We haven't rung the door yet, so I can do my little speech. So I'll show you the food.
One of the great things about LNU in Kalmar is that we get a guaranteed student apartment. So it's so nice that we don't need to stress and we already have an apartment figured out. But you also, of course, have different options. When you are moving, you can look for secondhand apartments or a variety of different rentals, and of course you can also buy. But it's definitely great to have different options.